This morning we decided to finish the boat, correct, Isaiah?
Yes.
How did it go? We started good, right? We decided to glue.
Yes, but it went really hard.
Well, but the glue was kind of sticky on our fingers, so that's why you had to wear gloves.
Yes.
And then right there, we're gluing some of the parts. Oh, there's where your father just called you.
Yep.
And you stopped on the phone for a little bit. You talked. And then I had a phone call. While you played on your iPod.
No, I was playing with my little toys.
What?
I was playing with those.
The little, what are they called? Ninja? Oh, not Ninja. Ninjagos?
Yeah. Oh, and this is the part when I was bringing the ship to Papa Sal, and then the ship just split apart like the Titanic.
You sure did. The bad part about this is we couldn't start from the beginning, or we couldn't put it together because some of the parts were glued and some of them weren't. But apparently,
that was complicated.
it was. We used the manual, and there we went to lunch, and then we came back.
And then we got a bowl of chips.
Yes, you went and got me some chips. And then Bruno wasn't feeling well. I didn't realize that he kept getting close to me because his tummy wasn't feeling good. I found out later when I found vomit on the carpet, right?
Well, I found it, but
Oh, you
I
found
told
it
you.
and told me about it, and then you cleaned it, which is very nice. Thank you. Well, I tried to put away the boat. Put together the boat. And then I figured, I glued one part that wasn't on there in the right spot. I had to take it off. Remember that one part?
Yeah, and then you glued a place how some of the jewels got stuck on.
Oh, that's right. We can't get to the jewels. Anyway, well, we had a fun time. Now we know what to do.
Yes.